You should be minded who you get mixed with. Mama taught us well, not all flavors are welcome. Cost to pay a price for what's needed. Loses ourselves to mix ourselves. Loses others too. You'll be looking mixed as well. Yes, indeed. See it in the belly. Excuses us. What's your taste? Never mind. Well, well, ring the bell. The taste of honey, honey. That's interesting. Thought we was done with human. Got the witch's tongue, the snake woman's teeth. Already had mama's eyes. Thought we's had it all. Had moved on to the king cat's claws. Clawed our way here. Here, we be moving on to diviner things. Now, looky here. You're not comprehending the art. Mixing in the head, you know? Not to bother. Being very mindful. Gots to be mindful. Otherwise it gets very strange in the proportion. Really thought we was done with human. You're best to keep still for this one.